Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important notification updates or informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on Gatewala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if we talk about guys today's important update, then CSIR National Aerospace Laboratory Council of Scientific and Industrial Research released their walk-in interview for the project staff positions. So CSIR-NAL released their directly date of interviews here. So those students who want to apply, you directly need to go for interview. So project associate, PAT1, like bachelor degree in engineering, if you have, you can apply. Mechanical, aerospace, aeronautical, civil, 16 vacancies are there, and 35 year is the age limit. Similarly, here you can also check project associate second gate scorecard, 35,000 plus HRA is there. Aerospace, aeronautical, mechanical, control engineering, two opportunities are there. Similarly, date of interview for 12/8/26, you can also check project associate first, EC electronic instrumentation control, triple AI ML computer science, 12 openings are there, 35 is the age limit. Similarly, here also you can check EC electrical instrumentation control, robotics, computer science, data science, 15 opportunities are available as the project associate second. Similarly, project associate second gate qualifications, if you having, then computer science engineering, two openings are there. 14/26 is the next interview date. So here chemical engineering students opportunities are available, you can explore. 17 also chemical students have opportunity, they can explore. 21/8/26 again 16 vacancies are available for aerospace, aeronautical, mechanical, machine design, thermal and structure candidates. 24/8/26 like manufacturing and chemistry students, mechanical students opportunities are there. 25/8/26 interview date, electronics, aerospace, aeronautical, mechanical engineering students opportunities are there. So those students who want to apply, you directly need to go for the walk-in interview on their given address. So address is also mentioned here. So directly you need to go for their walk-in interview, and the official website is www.nl.rac.in. So the walk-in interview address is available here. CSIR-NL RAB Meeting Complex, National Aerospace Laboratory. So here you need to reach and directly attempt interview. Interview time is also there. You should like allowed for registration after 9:45 p.m. AM. Sorry, so you can reach there. Application form is also attached here, so you can take a printout of the application form, attach your all the documents, and directly need to go for interview. We will share this PDF in Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel. You can download this PDF from Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel and stay connected with the Gatewala platform. So we will keep providing you such type of update. Thank you so much. We'll meet in another session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.